If you're heading to Southern Oregon and you're up for some fun river adventures, a jet boat excursion down the Rogue River is just the thing. I did a discovery tour with Rogue Jet Boat Adventures and it was a blast. The tour is 2.5 hours long and includes a fun ride up and down the Rogue River, complete with some history, wildlife sightings, and a few happy 360-degree tailspins. Super fun. Don't worry, the captain will toot the horn in advance so you know they're coming. If you're in the front seats, that's your cue to hang on tight. And speaking of the front seats, prepare to possibly get a little wet if you're in those front row seats. If you're wanting to take a more leisurely ride, I suggest sitting in the back, where the ride is a little smoother and you're less likely to feel the force of those tailspins and get wet. The 2.5-hour tour includes a 45-minute stop at Discovery Park Island. There, you can enjoy some refreshments and snacks, do a little paddleboarding and inner tubing, and play some cornhole or an assortment of any other fun adventures that they have there. I had so much fun on this jet boat tour adventure, and I highly recommend it if you're traveling to Southern Oregon. If you've never done a jet boat tour before, it's totally fun for all ages, although they do recommend this activity is best for kids ages 3 and up. Kids ages 12 and younger are required to wear life jackets. The captain does a great job of gauging the interest and adventure level of the group, and he hosts the tour accordingly. Some tips before you go. Wear clothes you don't mind getting wet in, and bring a change of clothes if you're heading to another destination immediately after. If you have long hair, consider putting it back. I also wish I brought a brush with me since the wind does whip your hair into some crazy knots out there. Leave your pets at home. They're not allowed on the boats. But bring your camera. The scenery is breathtaking, but be sure to hold onto it tightly. I put my GoPro on a short handheld tripod, or put it away before those really super fun but also super wet 360-degree spins. Other important info to know: there are porta potties at the starting point parking lot as well as on Discovery Park Island. Finally, have so much fun. A jet boat adventure is a great way to experience the beautiful Rogue River, learn about some of the area's history, and enjoy a fun day in Southern Oregon. Learn more about Southern Oregon and find some travel tips in our Southern Oregon travel guide on urbanblisslife.com.